Here we have Morus rubra. So also in the Moraceae, I just plucked this off. There is milky latex coming out of that petiole. So your question is probably, will it pass the shirt test? It looks like it passed. So this one is, it's kind of pubescent on top. So that's why it sticks to your shirt, and why white mulberry does not, because it's not pubescent on top. But otherwise the leaves look quite similar. You have those three veins all coming together at the base of the leaf. This one's not shiny, but one thing that you'll find on both mulberries, and you see it more in the sun than you do down here in the shade, but you can get some that actually have lobes. So these don't look like they have lobes, or they don't have lobes. But we can find some that do actually have quite a bit of lobing, especially if they're out in full sun. So we can try to find some of those in lab. What else to show you? Let's see, we can go over here and take a look at the bark. It's not super distinct, but since we're here, we can at least take a look at it. You can see that it's just got these very shallow cracks, and maybe at the very base you start to get a little bit of exfoliating, but it's overall fairly smooth. So not a super distinctive bark. And you know, these tend to be, these can get really big, but you know, I tend to see them more in the shrub and small tree sizes. Every now and again you will run across one that might be a foot in diameter. They do occur, but they're just not as common as these smaller diameter ones. So again, this is Morus rubra, or red mulberry, and this one is our native mulberry.
We also wanted to show you the other leaf forms of red mulberry, which I affectionately refer to as a mitten, because it looks like a mitten, like in the wintertime. So there's the mitten. Here's one that just has the 3 lobes. And then here out at the end, we have that more entire leaf shape with a few little tips here at the edge. But I like the mittens the best.